Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Clarence Pindea with the Rob and Brent Group of TTR Sotheby's International Realty. Today we will be showing 1223 Fairmont Street Northwest, a beautifully renovated row home in the Columbia Heights neighborhood of Washington, D.C. Now let's take a look inside. Come on in. There are many things that I love about this home. One of them is the width. It's almost 18 feet wide. Also, original pieces like this mantle here, big bay view windows with southern exposure, a wood-burning fireplace. Here's another thing that I thought was very well done. These used to be windows that are now built-in bookshelves. And here's the best part, a secret powder room. Here we have a spacious media room, but can also be used as a formal dining room because it's right next to the modern kitchen. Here we have a modern kitchen, plenty of storage, counter space, LED cabinetry, perfect for the gourmet chef in you. Here we have the private urban oasis. Plenty of space for entertaining, and across that is a private entrance to the lower level unit. Here we are in a two-car garage, a rare amenity in DC that can also be utilized as a gym. Before we head upstairs, I wanted to point out underneath this floorboard is a bonus wine cellar. Now I'll show you the first guest bedroom. As you can see, it's right next to an enclosed patio with northern exposure, so you're able to use it most of the year. Here we have an office space that can also be easily converted into a bedroom. Right through the double doors, welcome to the spacious guest bedroom. Big bay windows, southern exposure, plenty of natural light. As you head up the stairs, you'll notice this open space, perfect for a large piece of art or a gallery wall. And as you look up, you'll notice an amazing stained glass skylight that opens up. Welcome to the primary suite, where you have plenty of storage, big bay windows, a turret ceiling, right next to a very luxurious bathroom with a soaking tub, shower stall, and dual vanity. How's this for a walk-in closet? You have plenty of space for all your wardrobe needs, a gas fireplace, and plenty of seating area. Now let's take you to the lower level unit. Another great thing about this home is it has an easement so that you can access the lower level unit without having to cut through the home. You have an office space, living area, dining area, a fully functioning kitchen, and this unit can garner anywhere between $4,500 to $7,500 per month, depending on the season. This fully renovated lower level modern unit comes with a second set of washer and dryer, storage, a spacious bedroom, and an ensuite. We hope you enjoyed the tour of this amazing property, a masterful combination of restoration and renovation, offering modern amenities while keeping the best of its original Victorian features. We hope to see you again and continue showing the finest homes in Washington, D.C. Until next time,